Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. We are on the second Sunday of Lent. Nakadalawang linggo na po tayo o nakadalawang Sunday tayo sa Kwaresma. And most often, Lent is explained by offering a common image, no? Para daw po mas maintindihan, ano ba tong Kwaresma na ito? This is a season, this is 40 days of preparing for Holy Week. A very important celebration of the Lord's Passion, Death, and Resurrection. And more often, the image that is given to us to help us understand Lenten season is that Lent is like climbing a mountain. Ang Kwaresma daw po ay parang pag-akyat sa bundok. Hindi madali, medyo mahirap, sapagkat ang Kwaresma nangangailangan ng disiplina. Lent makes us ask questions about ourselves. How is our faith? How is our following the Lord? How is our relationship with God? These are questions that we have to answer during Lent. How is our prayer? How is our self-denial? How is our helping other people? Almsgiving, sharing what we have. And all this requires discipline. And this is not easy. No? Kaya parang pag-akyat ng bundok, hindi madali, pero hindi rin naman imposible. Kayang gawin, pero hindi madali. Sapagkat ang bundok na ating inaakyat, the mountain we are climbing in this Lenten season is the mountain of the resurrection, the mountain of Easter. Kaya pagdating sa tuktok, napakaganda, nakakahinga tayo ng malalim, nakakahinga ng maluwag. Because there is new life in the risen Christ. There is hope in the risen Christ. There is power and strength in the risen Christ. Kahit saan naman, kahit hindi sa bundok, no? Pagka tayo ay nasa taas o kahit sa taas lang ng building o taas ng bahay, no? Height offers us a new perspective. No? Bago sa paningin pag tayo ay nasa taas, no? Kahit dito lang, no, sa may Antipolo halimbawa, sa may Sumulong Highway, yung tinatawag na viewpoint. Pag nandun ka, kitang-kita ang Ortigas, kitang-kita ang Makati, ang Quezon City, ang Libis. At pag malayo, parang pagkaganda-ganda, parang hindi magulo. Because height offers us a new, hopeful perspective. And that is also the mountain of Lenten season. It is difficult, yes, to improve ourselves, to grow in our relationship with God. Difficult because it requires discipline. It requires self-examination. Sino ba naman ang nadalian sa pag-amin sa sariling kakulangan? Mas madali ang magturo. Siya naman talaga ang may kasalanan, hindi ako. Mas madali blaming others. Kaya naman ako ganito kasi ganun siya. But we have to accuse ourselves and discipline in order to trek the height of the mountain of Lent. Kaya nakakatuwa. So the first reading in the gospel today talks about a mountain. In the first reading, Abraham and Isaac They were called by the Lord, and they went up the mountain. Saan daw sila umakyat? Mount Pinatubo, Moriah. Mount Moriah. And there, Abraham and Isaac encountered the Lord. Ganon din sa gospel. Jesus with James, John, and Peter. They went up the mountain. Hindi binanggit sa gospel. Pero alam natin kung saan. Kung saan nangyari yung transfiguration. Sa Mount Tabor. Mount Tabor. Because coming up the mountain is like Lent. Purifying ourselves. So that there at the mountain, at the top, at the summit, we encounter God. At ano yung natagpuan sa gospel? Nung pag-akyat nila sa Mount Tabor, we are told, the disciples witnessed the light of the transfiguration of the Lord. They saw the light of Jesus, the light of the glory of the divinity of the Son of God. There they receive light. Importante po yung liwanag. Because light makes us see. Yan ang biyaya ng liwanag. Light makes us see. Meron pong lumang joke. Siguro narinig nyo na. Meron pong joke, si Juan. Si Juan daw nawala ng wallet. Nawalan siya ng wallet. Madilim, gabi. Madilim. Kaya naghahanap siya ng wallet niya. Doon sa ilalim ng poste sa labas. Maliwanag, may ilaw. Naghahanap siya doon ng wallet. Nakita siya ng isang kapitbahay. Oh Juan, anong hinahanap mo? Sabi sa kanya. Sabi ni Juan, yung wallet ko nawala. Dalawa na silang naghahanap ng wallet doon sa may poste ng ilaw. May dumaan na naman na isang kapitbahay. Sabi kay Juan, oy, anong hinahanap nyo? Sabi ni Juan, yung wallet ko nawala. O tatlo na silang naghahanap doon sa may poste ng ilaw, naghahanap ng wallet. Anong kulay ba ng wallet mo? Kulay brown. Naghahanap sila. Sabi nung isa, saan ba nawala yung wallet mo? Sabi ni Juan, doon sa kabilang kanto. Bakit ka dito naghahanap? Maliwanag dito eh. Madilim doon eh. Lumang joke na yun, ano? Pero bakit? Ano ang bigay ng liwanag? Para makakita. Kasi sabi, there was a cloud in Mount Tabor, and a voice came from the cloud, and the cloud said, "This is my beloved Son." There is light so that we can see the Son of God, so that we can see Jesus, so that after seeing, said the voice from the cloud, listen to Him. The light makes us see Jesus, so that when we see, we begin to listen to Jesus. And when we listen, we follow Jesus. Liwanag para makita si Jesus. Pagkatapos makita, makikinig kay Jesus. At ang tunay na nakikinig kay Jesus, sumusunod kay Jesus. We receive light to see Jesus. And when we see Jesus, we listen to Him. True listening to Jesus means following Jesus. Amen.